In the garden of memory, the weight of past pains can feel heavy, yet nature offers a gentle, steady release. This case study follows Anna, who found relief through lavender tea, mindful breathing, and gentle acupuncture. Weeks in, Anna reported calmer nights, clearer mornings, and a lighter sense of self that let old memories breathe. Herbal infusions, breathing practices, and light somatic movement helped reframe pain as signals rather than alarms. Viewers can start with tiny, science-informed steps and listen to their bodies as memory softens under nature's patient rhythm.